नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका के न्यूज़ 24/7 में। तो चलिए देखते हैं आज की हेडलाइंस। हैप्पी रिपब्लिक डे 2024। विशेष, इमेजेस, SMS, कोट्स, ग्रीटिंग्स, व्हाट्सएप एंड फेसबुक स्टेटस to mark 75th Republic Day. India is gearing up to celebrate its 75th Republic Day, Gantantra Divas, on January 26, Friday. Every year, citizens of the country mark the day with grandeur and enthusiasm. The celebrations feature spectacular military and cultural pageantry. The day commemorates the adoption of the Constitution of India on January 6, 1950. While India gained independence from colonial rule in 1947, it wasn't until January 26, 1950 that the Constitution of India came into effect. After this, India became a sovereign state, declaring it is a republic. The Gantantra Divas celebrations are held in the capital New Delhi from Raisina Hall near the Rashtrapati Bhavan, along the Kartavya path past India Gate and on to the historic Red Fort. The theme for the tableaux at the Republic Day Parade 2024 is Bharat, the mother of democracy. You can also participate in Republic Day celebrations by forwarding patriotic wishes and quotes to your family and close ones. Bihar political crisis. Lalu Yadav's daughter attacked Nitish over dynastic politics, remarks CM not to join Nyaya Yatra. The differences between the Janata Dal United and Rashtriya Janata Dal RJD appear to be depending in Bihar. After Nitish Kumar dynastic politics attack, Rohini Acharya RJD leader Lalu Prasad Yadav's daughter targeted the chief minister in now a deleted post. Without naming Nitish, Rohini said that he claims to be a socialist, keep changing his ideology like wind. Remarks came after Nitish Kumar while addressing a rally on the birth centenary of former Bihar CM Karpuri Thakur on Wednesday. Criticized dynastic politics and said that he followed the path shown by the late socialist leader by not promoting his family in politics. Thakur was confirmed with the Bharat Ratna posthumously earlier this week. In a post on X, Acharya targeted Kumar, saying people often don't see their own shortcomings yet continue to throw mud at others. People often cannot see their own but continue to throw mud at others with impudence, she wrote. PM Modi pays homage at National War Memorial marking start of 75th Republic Day. On 75th Republic Day morning, Prime Minister Narendra Modi visited the National War Memorial to pay tributes marking the official commencement of the 75th Republic Day celebrations. After leading the nation in paying solemn tributes to the fallen heroes by laying a wreath, PM Modi and other dignitaries headed to the saluting dais of the Kartavya path to witness the parade. The arrival of the President of India Draupadi Murmu and her French counterpart Emmanuel Macron was escorted by the President's bodyguard, Rashtrapati K. Angar Shak. The President's bodyguard is the senior most regiment of the Indian Army. The Republic Day special for the elite regiment has the Angarak Shak has completed 250 years of service since its raising in 1773. The two presidents arrived in a traditional buggies practice making a comeback after a gap of 40 years. As per the tradition, the national flag was unfurled, followed by national anthem with a booming 21-gun salute given with indigenous gun system 105mm Indian field guns. This was then followed by Avahan, a band performance by over 100 women artists playing various types of percussions, instruments symbolizing Nari Shakti. Republic Day 2024, Prime Minister Narendra Modi won't unfurl the national flag. Here's why. India is all set to celebrate its 75th Republic Day on January 26, 2024. Every year, many across the country remain confused about who will unfurl the flag on this special day. To see it straight, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will not unfurl the national flag on Republic Day 2024. It will be President Draupadi Murmu. Here is why. On Independence Day, the Prime Minister raises the national flag at Red Fort. However, Republic Day starts with the President of India unfurling the flag at Kartavya path, earlier called Rajpath and originally named Kingsway. On Independence Day, the Prime Minister hoists the flag from the bottom of the pole at Red Fort. It symbolizes India's emergence from colonial clutches. This day marks the anticipation of an independent nation. In stark contrast, Republic Day involves the President unfurling the flag already at the peak with flowers tied to it. This act signifies that India, having already gained independence, celebrates its established freedom and the enactment of its constitution. Padma Awards 2024 announced. Gopinath Swami Bhagavat Pradhan, Binod Kumar Pasayat to receive Padma Shri from Odisha to receive Padma Shri. Padma Awards 2024 announced Krishna Leela singer from Odisha Ganjam Gopinath Swami to receive Padma Shri. Bhagavat Pradhan, exponent of Sabda Nritya folk dance from Bargarh, Odisha. Binod Maharana art to receive Padma Shri. One of the highest civilization awards of the country are conferred in three categories, namely Padma Vibhushan, Padma Bhushan and Padma Shri. The awards are given in various disciplines, fields of activities, VIZ art, social work, public affairs, science and engineering, trade in an industry, medicine, literature and education, sports, civil service, etc. Padma Vibhushan is awarded for exceptional and distinguished services. Padma Bhushan of distinguished service of high order and Padma Shri for distinguished service in any field. The awards are announced on the occasion of Republic Day every year. These awards are conferred by the President of India at ceremonial functions which are held at Rashtrapati Bhavan usually around March or April every year. For the year 2024, the President has approved conferment of 132 Padma Awards including 2 duo cases. In the duo case, the award is counted as 1 as per list below. List comprises 5 Padma Vibhushan, 7 Padma Bhushan and 110 Padma Shri awards. 30 of the awards are a woman and the list also includes 8 persons from the category of foreigners, NRI, PIO, OCI and 9 posthumous awardees. ऐसे और न्यूज़ को जानने के लिए जुड़े रहिए के न्यूज़ 24/7 के साथ।